Hello dear friends and student. Today we have solution of question number 6.11 from the chapter Halo Alkane Halo arene. Question is like this: how will you bring about the following conversions? So we start from the first one conversion to solid. Ethanol to but1 is the first one conversion. Step is given to us. Ethanol reacts with thionyl chloride in the presence of pyridine will make chloroethane first by removing of sulfur dioxide and hydrochloric acid. Then after on the second one stage, we have to require sodium acetylide. So first we make sodium acetylide, which is given in the second one step. We have ethine reacts with sodamide in the presence of liquid ammonia will form a first compound called as sodium acetylide. This sodium acetylide react with chloroethane by removing of NaCl will form our final product called as but1 ion. So this one is our final product, but1 ion. Second one reaction, ethane to bromoethene. So here we have ethane in the presence of UV light, bromination is happen. Due to bromination, here homolytic fission is happen. It forms first free radical will form our first product called as bromoethane. This bromoethane, when it reacts with the potassium hydroxide, it gives dehydrohalogenation reaction to form ethene. This ethene, when react with the bromine, it forms 1,2-dibromoethane by bromination reaction. And this 1,2-dibromoethane, when react with KOH in the presence of alcohol, further it remove minus HBr from both adjacent carbon. One carbon remove hydrogen, one remove bromine. Dehydrohalogenation is happened, and due to this dehydrohalogenation will form a compound called as bromoethene. Third one reaction, propene to 1-nitropropane. We have propene reacts with HBr in the presence of peroxide. Here anti-Markovnikov rule is follow. So here I mention anti-Markovnikov. First it forms 1-bromopropane. This 1-bromopropane reacts with AgNO2. Silver nitrite we have. Silver nitrite gives our final product 1-nitropropane by removing of silver bromide. Then we move on the fourth one example, fourth one solution. Toluene to benzyl alcohol. Toluene reacts with the Cl2 in the presence of UV light. First it forms benzyl chloride by removing of HCl. This benzyl chloride undergo reaction with the NaOH will remove NaCl and will form benzyl alcohol as a final product. Next one is the propene to propane. We have propene. When it reacts with the Br2 in the presence of CCl4, due to bromination, we get 1,2-dibromopropane will react with NaNH2 will form our final product called as propyne. Next one is the ethanol to fluoroethane. We have ethanol, it reacts with the phosphorus pentachloride. When it reacts with phosphorus pentachloride, one chlorine is attached with the CH3CH2 by removing of OH group. This OH will form two different things. From the OH, oxygen is going with phosphorus and chlorine will form phosphorus oxychloride, and hydrogen is going with the chlorine will form HCl. Here we get chloroethane. This chloroethane react with AgF. Here Schwarz reaction is happen. and will form a final product as CH3CH2F fluoroethane. Student, you know that if we attach fluorine in particular halo alkane, we use Schwarz reaction. So I mentioned here this one is the Schwarz reaction. Here the reagent is AgF. Next one reaction, bromoethane to propanol. So here we have bromomethane. When it react with the KCN, will form CH3CN, which called to be ethane nitride. It react with the Grignard reagent like methyl magnesium bromide, and due to reaction with the methyl magnesium bromide, we have to get this kind of compound. You know that CH3 having minus charge and MgBr possess positive charge. This whole thing is attached with this triple bond at Cn. Here the one bond of carbon is break, with it CH3 is attached, and the remaining thing is attached, MgBr is attached with the nitrogen. When this bond is break in between carbon and nitrogen, nitrogen is highly electronegative. You know that, so positively charged portion is directly attached with nitrogen and negatively charged CH3 attached with the carbon. So we get this kind of structure. Then it undergo hydrolysis in the presence of H+. The oxygen of water is directly attached with a double bond at carbon and will form a compound called as CH3COCH3, which is propanone, and remaining thing is going with the remaining portion. So here our main product is propanone, I mention here. Then after the next one reaction, but1 into but2. So here double bond is present on the first one carbon. There are total 4 carbon, but1 in. When it react with the HBr according to Markovnikov rule, bromine is attached on the second one carbon and the hydrogen is attached on the first one carbon. Then after it react with the KOH, first we obtain 2-bromobutane. When it react with the KOH, dehydrohalogenation reaction is happen. So from this one carbon, this one is either called to be alpha carbon, it remove bromine, and from the beta carbon we remove hydrogen according to ZZEF rule, either ZSEV rule, whatever you say. So here major product we obtain which having long chain of carbon, either long alkyl chain. So you know that both side beta carbon are there, but preferably which product is the main? A carbon chain which having long chain. So you know that this double bond is present, we remove hydrogen from the beta carbon like this, and alpha carbon remove bromine. So here due to dehydrohalogenation we get our final product but2-ene. Then after next 1-chlorobutane to normal octane. Here 1-chlorobutane we have, there are 2 mole of 1-chlorobutane react with the 2 mole of sodium. This one reaction is called to be Wood's reaction. In the presence of dry ether is a kind of solvent, removing of 2 mole of NaCl. Both carbon chain are attached together. Here 4 carbon from first one butane. This is the second one chlorobutane. They are arranged together and will form our final product called as normal octane. Then after the last one reaction, benzene to biphenyl, there are 2 mole of benzene we have. In the presence of bromination and F is a catalyst, then dark medium will first form bromobenzene. This 2 mole of bromobenzene react with the 2 mole of sodium. By removing of 2 mole of NaBr will form our final product called as biphenyl. This reaction is called to be fitting reaction. So dear students, these are the all solution of the question number 6.11. I hope these all are very useful to you. If you like this channel, please subscribe, share and like. Thank you.